Hi, my name is Dylan, and this is the library project for unit uh 7, I think. Yeah, part 3. So the library that I decided to make was a library for an app for random birds, and you can learn their name, their diet, and their status of endangerment. So here's an example. The rose-breasted gosebeak, that's would be the name. The diet would be insects, seeds, berries. The status is least concern, so it's not very endangered. But the way this works is first I got the data. I decided what data I wanted from the 100 birds of the world set. And I used the name, diet, image, status, and ID because I wanted to use, since I was just going to choose one bird, I could have just used one ID and specifically chosen what row from that bird I wanted. So what column I wanted specifically. And thanks to my help from my partner next to me, Jae Young Yi, he helped me how to do that. So first there's a function, the variable ID birds, which gets the ID of the 100 birds. And then there's a return function which returns the output of the random bird that I want. So it can be whichever bird randomly it chooses from 0 to length -1, because remember the index is always greater, so it always starts at 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Now this one on event button, which is the random bird button, has an update screen with the random bird parameter. I'll speak about that right now because the update screen function, what it does, it has the 4 variables storing the name, diet, image, and conservation status, like I said before. And it also has the set property, which means to set the output of those set the output of the input from the button to the actual screen. So what set property text diet does, it sets the output of the text of the diet to, and it outputs it on the diet text right here, and then the status as well, the name as well, and then the image as well. And why I put ID was that so it gets the name of the diet from the specific from the random ID chosen in this random bird function. That's why the perimeter is in the update screen function on the event block. Now the design I wanted to choose was I just wanted to have like birds behind the app itself. That's why I just searched on Google good bird pictures, and I used that design. And then I use 3 text areas, 1 image block, another one label, and 1 button. And yeah, this is a pretty good library depending because it's not that hard to make, and I think people would understand it reasonably. Because my partners helped me as well, Edward, Choi, and Jae Young. They helped me um fix all the bugs, especially with the calling functions. Yeah, this is my app. Thank you.